Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Do, do, do. Hey friends, Min here from Honest Stamp Page, back with another Dollar Tree DIY holiday decor video. Today I'm going to be using these two Christmas trees that I was really excited to grab because I couldn't grab any last year, and I'm going to make a swag, which is like one of those half wreaths with these two trees. So you're probably wondering why I chose white. Well, my Christmas tree is white, and I kind of want it to go with the decor that's going to be in my living room. It's going to replace another swag that I have up that is roses. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these. And I don't need these pieces, so I'm just going to kind of set these aside. And then I'm gonna need to take off this part of the tree because I don't want these in the way. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to glue these two parts together with my hot glue gun. Stabilize this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this with either ribbon or twine. I got these pieces of twine off of some of these. They come with twine, but I'm going to use this for something else. And so I'm thinking I could wrap that around to make it more stable. But because this is white, I'm actually thinking I want to use some ribbon. Let's try the silver. Alright, so now that I have this wrapped, I'm ready to start kind of decorating, and as I go, I'm probably going to pull some of these branches apart to make it look more like the swag that I'm wanting. So I've got a bunch of different florals. I do have pine cones right here. I've got these silver and gold poinsettias. I used one of these on a project earlier, and they have the little clips, so those might be fun to add in there. I've got these silver and gold balls. So I've got different berries that I could use. And I've also got different poinsettias as well, if I can get these under control. So I'm thinking I really like these silver and champagne berries. They're really pretty. And then I've also got some champagne and silver poinsettias. Ooh, and I have these white poinsettias too. I think that that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna use some of the white poinsettias, some of the champagne poinsettias, and we're gonna kind of go for like silver and gold, but the gold is gonna be this rose gold champagne color, which I am loving. And I think I'm gonna start by putting some of these berries in. So let me go ahead and cut these up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start adding some of these in. on, I'm gonna start adding the poinsettias. Loving how this is looking. I mean, that's beautiful as it is. I really love that. And then if I just go through, sorry, lots of cobwebs. If I just go through and kind of perk up these branches like this so that it looks more full, I think we've got ourselves a beautiful Christmas swag for under $10, because the trees were each $1, so that's $2. The berries were each $1, so that's another $2. So $4, $5, $6 plus the ribbon was probably about $1. So this beautiful Christmas swag for under $10. I absolutely love it. I'm excited to be able to put this up in my hallway next to my living room to match my Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas. And until next time, when I do another Dollar Tree decor holiday item, hugs and happy holiday crafting, friends. Bye.